So far, you've learned that cryptocurrency is digital money and that it runs on blockchain technology. But here's a big question. Why does crypto like Bitcoin actually have value? Let's break it down simply. Just like regular money, like dollars or euros, cryptocurrency only works if people believe in it and are willing to use it. That belief gives it value. The US dollar isn't backed by gold. It's backed by trust in the government. Bitcoin isn't backed by anything either, but people trust the system and agree it's worth something. Most cryptocurrencies have a limited supply. For example, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This makes it scarce, like gold, and scarcity increases value. Some cryptocurrencies are valuable because they're useful. Bitcoin is used to send money globally, with low fees. Ethereum is used to build apps and smart contracts. Others are used in games, art, NFTs, or DeFi, finance without banks. The more people use it, the more value it can have. If more people want to buy a cryptocurrency, its price goes up. If people lose interest, the price drops. That's why crypto is often very volatile. Prices can go up or down fast. People believe in it. It's limited in supply. It can be useful, and it follows supply and demand rules.